No jargon, no fluff, just practical advice you can action today for your dealership. Today we're talking about Facebook Marketplace. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to use Facebook Marketplace to support your dealership and start driving those leads. It is by far one of the most powerful free tools available to dealers. However, most people aren't using it to its full potential. These days, when consumers are looking for used vehicles, Facebook is the first place they go. Facebook Marketplace has over 1 billion monthly users globally. In the UK, it's become one of the first places buyers will go when they're searching for used vehicles. The best bit, it's completely free to list. However, Marketplace can also be inundated with dodgy listings and car buying scams. We're here to help make sure your profile and listings are spot on and potential buyers trust what they're inquiring about. Before you get started, make sure you have everything you need to create a listing. 1. High quality photos or videos that show the vehicle off. 2. You have all the information potential buyers need to see. 3, and this is a big one, has the vehicle got any marks or damage they need to know about? Tell them. 4, link out to the full listing on your website. So let's dig into it. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to list your vehicle on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so first things first, you don't need a Meta Business Suite or Meta Ad account to use Facebook Marketplace. All you will need is a Facebook profile. Once you're in Facebook, simply go to the column options to the left of the screen and then select Marketplace, and you'll be given a completely new dashboard, which is the Facebook Marketplace profile. Now, there's a lot of options here when it comes to buying and selling. What we're looking for is the Create New Listing option. So simply click Create New Listing. Then you'll be given your listing types. Now recently, Meta has split up the listing types, so you do have a specific vehicle for sale function, so simply click on Vehicle for Sale. And you'll be given a dashboard where you have to fill in the options about the vehicle you're looking to sell. So from top to bottom, we'll start with vehicle type. We're going to select car and van, and then we're going to add some photos to it. So make sure you've got some good quality photos that you'd like to add. Once they've loaded up, you'll start to see them within the preview of your listing. Now the location is automatic based on where you're currently sat, so make sure that that is accurate. And then, as mentioned earlier, make sure that the details you fill in match the description of the vehicle. I'm just going to fill these details in. Finally, enter your price for this vehicle. And then an important one at the end, make sure you complete the condition. This is an important one. The tick box that states this vehicle has a clean title means that there is absolutely no significant or persistent damage and problems with the vehicle. If you're not confident with that and you don't want to be seen as one of these scammers, don't tick it. Be transparent with your audience and note the vehicle condition. Fill in the description. Once you've completed all your details, click Next, and then you'll be taken to the option to list it publicly. Now, by default, you need to list it publicly in Marketplace. However, there are several opportunities to refine that further. If you're part of particular groups, such as particular car dealer groups, you can also list your vehicle listing in those as well. Once you've selected those that you want, simply hit Publish, and your Marketplace listing is now live. 3 key things to do today on your Facebook Marketplace listings. 1. Use at least 10 clear photos, including interior, exterior, and make sure you highlight any imperfections on the vehicle. 2. Always include full vehicle details in the description, whether that's mileage, service history, MOT date. Answer the questions before they inquire. Build that trust before they buy. Finally, 3. Respond to inquiries within the hour. Marketplace rewards fast responses with more visibility. The quicker you respond, the more visibility you will get. So as you can see, Facebook Marketplace couldn't be easier. If you found this video useful, make sure you like the video and hit subscribe.